Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're tackling a problem involving Snowflake and how to declare variables to make a CTE calendar table dynamic. The issue at hand is how to make the calendar table more flexible by using variables for the start date, end date, and day cal parameters. This will allow us to generate a calendar table with varying start and end dates based on our needs. Let's dive into the solution provided. In the code snippet shared, we see that Snowflake generators don't play well with variables. The workaround involves setting the start date and end date as variables, creating a temporary table to store these dates along with the day count, and then using subqueries within the CTE to dynamically generate the calendar table. By utilizing the max function on the temporary table, we ensure that the most up-to-date values are used in the calculations. This clever use of subqueries allows us to work around the limitations posed by Snowflake generators and create a dynamic calendar table as desired. To wrap things up, we've successfully tackled the challenge of making a CTE calendar table dynamic in Snowflake by leveraging variables and subqueries. This approach provides us with the flexibility to generate a calendar table based on varying start and end dates without being constrained by the limitations of Snowflake generators. I hope you found this solution helpful and insightful for your own projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time.